Hi friends, this is Likith. I am from India. I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Sri Jayachamrajendra College of Engineering, Mysore in Triple E stream at an aggregate of 77.5% in 2021. After my BE, my friend suggested me to join Pyspiders to upskill my coding knowledge. And I attended free grooming class conducted by Mr. Rajkumar sir, and he is very knowledgeable and very encouraging. He knows how to grab the students' attention and how to make them understand each and every concepts with an ease. And they conducted grooming classes also, which helps students to attend interviews with confidence. I joined Pyspiders in the month of October and I completed my 50% of course. I already got placed in top MNC company in with 4.5 lakhs package. I would recommend all the IT aspirants to join Pyspiders who wish to start their career in software field. Thank you very much.